In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Calendly. Whether you're new to Calendly or just looking to better manage your notifications, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. First, head over to the Calendly homepage. Once you're logged in, take a moment to locate the specific meeting for which you'd like to set up reminders. Finding your meeting is the essential first step, as it sets the context for the rest of our activities. After pinpointing your meeting, look towards the right side of the meeting details. You'll notice a set of 3 vertical dots. Click on these. The universal sign for more options. A small menu will pop up, and from there, select Edit. Once you click Edit, a pop-up menu will appear in the right-hand corner of your screen. This menu offers several choices, but for now, locate and click on More Options. This will give you access to a broader set of tools, including our next focus, notifications and workflows. Next, scroll down through the newly expanded menu options until you find Notifications and Workflow. This section holds all the settings related to reminders. Click the drop-down menu associated with this section. It might seem like a small step, but it's crucial, as this is where we can get into the nitty-gritty of how you want to be reminded about your meetings. Once the drop-down is open, you have the freedom to toggle your preferences for notifications on or off. It's entirely up to you. You can choose between email reminders and text reminders, or even decide if you want an email follow-up after the meeting concludes. Each option is specifically designed to make sure you stay organized and focused on what's important. Finally, after setting your preferences, make sure to click Save Changes. It's a small but crucial step. If you forget to save, all your adjustments will be lost, and you'll have to start over. So, be sure to save any modifications you make. And that's it. You're all set. By following these straightforward steps, you can customize how you receive notifications, making your schedule less stressful and more streamlined. Calendly's reminder settings are exceptionally flexible, allowing you to tailor them to fit your unique needs and preferences. I hope you found this guide helpful, and that you're now more confident in setting up reminders on Calendly. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.